2026 will not be won by talent. It will be won by habits. Most people will repeat the same routines, consume the same distractions, and complain about the same results. They don't need more information. They need better habits. If you build these 5 habits now, 2026 won't overwhelm you. It will obey you. Discipline is not loud. It doesn't post updates. It doesn't wait for approval. It works quietly, daily, and without excuses. These habits are not popular, but they work in the real world. Habit 1, the start ugly habit. Most people wait for perfect conditions, perfect time, perfect energy, perfect plan. That waiting destroys momentum. Train yourself to start ugly. Begin without confidence. Begin without clarity. Begin without motivation. Action creates direction. Starting poorly is better than waiting forever. Habit 2. Schedule boredom on purpose. Your brain is addicted to stimulation, noise, screens, entertainment. Discipline grows when stimulation drops. Every day, schedule time with nothing. No phone, no music, no content. Just thinking, just breathing, just awareness. Boredom rebuilds focus. Focus builds power. Habit 3. One deep task before noon. Most people waste their best energy. They save important work for later and never do it properly. Build the habit of one deep task early. Studying, creating, training, building a skill. No multitasking, no distractions. One deep task daily compounds faster than hustle. Habit 4. Weekly self-confrontation. Once a week, confront yourself. No excuses, no emotional stories. Ask, what did I avoid? Where did I lie to myself? What must change next week? This habit hurts, but it prevents years of self-deception. Honesty is discipline in its raw form. Habit 5. Live below your ego. Ego demands comfort, recognition, and shortcuts. Discipline demands humility. Choose learning over looking smart, progress over praise, growth over approval. Live like you're still building, even when things improve. Ego slows you down. Discipline keeps you sharp. 2026 will expose habits. Not words, not intentions, habits. Build them quietly. Protect them fiercely. No applause, no noise, only discipline.